Okay, right now, this part right here is where the core is, and it looks like it's out. I cut the gas off. Cut the gas off. Switch right here. I think I smell it too. So, but the let me look up in there. I'm trying to look. Give me a match. I see a match. I see a match down here. A match? Yeah. You ain't got one of them, you ain't got one of them, them click things. Yeah, them click lighter that work with, with the arm on it. Yeah. I see a match.
You know what a lighter that?
Yeah. But I ain't gonna put my hand down. I need one of them ones that gon' like a barbecue grill one. All right.
But I'm saying you know what to do with it?
Yeah. I see the furnace thing. I need to learn how to do this shit.
So you don't know how to do it?
My mom would be paying somebody to come by and do it all every dang year.
No, I'm saying you don't.
Yeah, I seen the video and I see the thing. I cut the gas off. Ain't nothing gonna happen.